So here's an actual useful mechanic video that I'm in the mood to make. I'm not gonna make, like people do mechanic videos and they let you listen to like 20 minutes of them breathing and the camera's all like this. No, on a Freightliner Cascadia with the regular same MCM that they all have, the same as the dd13 and the 15 and all that. There's two plugs, right? The little one, they call that the 21 pin connector. Pin 21 is the power that goes from the start to the starter from the MCM. The reason I thought of this is because we looked at a truck the other day and they told me they took it to 4 other shops here in town that told them they needed starters, MCMs, all this bullshit. Broken wire. It's wire 21 from the little connector. It's got the numbers on the bottom. If you pull that yellow thing off and it comes out, the numbers are there. Number 21. When you turn the key, power should come out of there and go to your starter. That's what you need to check.